Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am here with my September Bolzano subscription unboxing, and I absolutely love Bolzano. This is, I want to say, my favorite subscription box of my monthly subscriptions. You can get it either monthly, or you can also pay for it every 3 months and every 6 months. So they have two types of subscriptions. The first one is a purse and accessory subscription, which is the one I receive. And then they also have like a luxe purse, and accessories and beauty. So the one I receive, I pay $33.95 a month, and then the luxe purse and accessories with the beauty, that one is $43.95 a month. I opted not to get that one because I received so many beauty subscription boxes, so I just didn't think that it would be necessary really to pay an additional $10 to get the beauty products in there. But I do love their handbags, and I finally decided after like 6 months of getting this subscription to share it with you guys here on the channel. So they come in a shipping envelope, and then inside the shipping envelope you always get a dust bag, and the dust bag has the Bolzano logo on there. It's always tied with a little ribbon and a little tag. So this is my September bag. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm super excited to take a look at this and see. So on the tag it says, Bolzano, you deserve to be spoiled. And then, oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. So this is what I received this month, and they do have a profile on their website, so you go in and you pick, you know, what your colors are, what style of bags you like, and stuff like that. Look, it's got the zipper back here, and then it's got a zipper here, and it's got these little details up here as well. Then it's got a side pocket with a snap, and the same thing on that side. Mom life, right? I am not editing that out. Then inside you find the bag. Inside the bag you'll find the accessories. So let's take a look. It also has a little blurb about the bag. This one says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we have chosen our Florencia bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $165. The Florencia is part of our new summer collection. It comes in baby pink, brandy, gray, fog, and black. And then, so I love this one. So this one's the gray fog. Let's see. Okay, so in this one, it has Lulu DK tattoos. And these are 2 sheets of temporary metallic tattoos. I don't really wear those, but okay. Usually they're right on the money with the accessories. Other accessories I've received are like scarves or sunglasses. I've received bracelets, really, really cute things. It does bring the strap for the bag so that you can use it crossbody style. And it has those. And then, oh, nice. Oh my gosh, guys, this is super cute. Look at this. What do you think? I love Love it, love it, love it. And then let's see. Oh, there's a necklace that goes with it too. Look, guys. How cute is that? Love it. So exciting. And then, of course, the padding so the bag doesn't get all out of shape. And let me show you the inside of the bag. The inside is like this. It does have two little like slide-in sections here, like for cell phone. And then it has the zippered section right there. I know it's hard to see because it is black on the inside, so I apologize for that. But it is very, very nice, guys. I absolutely love it. And let's open up these straps so you guys can take a look at them. The detail of it is really nice, and I love that the stitching is very well. They're very high quality, well crafted bags, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, I've been getting this subscription for about 6 months now, and I love everything about it. There has not been a bag that I've received where I didn't like it. The accessories can be a little hit or miss, but honestly, I think I've liked all the accessories. Just this one I have no use for, but I'm sure my sister will love that. But there you go, and it does have the little Bolzano imprinted logo in there. I absolutely love it. It's a perfect color for the fall too, guys. So that is my Bolzano September unboxing. Let me know what you think. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help promote the channel, guys, and it helps promote the video. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye.